Hello crafters, welcome back to my channel. This is Aleli, the creator of Think Simple Craft. And for those new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also please leave your comment down below the comment section. Thank you. For today's video, I will be showing you how to make personalized balloon tassel. Before we proceed, we need to prepare the following: a printed photos, scissors, the dry glue, the cardstock or cartolina, the ribbon roll, and of course the balloon. Once you already prepare your materials, then we are good to go. We have to cut the picture or the photos in the size that we wanted for the tassel. Just continue the process up until the last photo. For the tassel design, you can actually make a back-to-back photos of the celebrant, or you can also write at the back the name and the year that she's celebrating her birthday, or any occasions, the title you have to write it at the back. Once you're done cutting the photos, all you have to do is to now cut the cartolina or the cardstock at least ½ inch bigger than the size of the photos, as it's shown in the video. Once you're done, you can now stick the photo on the cartolina, the one that you cut earlier. Just continue and repeat the process up until to the last photo. For those new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and kindly hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I'll post new video. And also, if you have any opinions or suggestions regarding this video, please don't forget to leave your comment down below at the comment section. Or if you have any requests or suggestion for my future DIY videos, please don't hesitate to leave your comment down. Thank you. Just continue the process up until to the last photo. But by the way, crafters, you have to keep a space on the top so where you can put the ribbon. Okay, once you're done sticking the photos on the cardstock, all you have to do now is to make a hole on the top of the cardboard. You can use a puncher or a cutter to just make a hole, but for me, I use puncher so it will be easy for me to put a hole on it. Now the next step is to get the ribbon roll and cut it as long as you wanted the size of the tassel. For this particular video, I cut the ribbon a bit longer so I can put a design on it. So later on, I'm gonna show it to you. By the way, crafters, for tassel, I would recommend you, actually it would be better if you will use the plastic ribbon roll. Now you have to insert the ribbon on the hole that we made on the photo and then lock it as it's shown on the video. Just repeat the process up until to the last photo. Now once you're done, you can inflate the balloon For ceiling balloon, I would recommend you using the bigger balloon size, such as a size 10-inch or 12-inch balloon. Okay crafters, if you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to smash the like button. And if you're not yet my subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I'll post new video. And if you have any comments about this video, please don't forget to leave your comment down in this comment section. If it is not too much to ask, my dear crafters, if it is okay, can you please share the video to your colleagues, to your comadres, to your other friends in social media, because your simple share or simple like to my video is a great help for my channel. Thank you so much. Once you already popped the balloon, all you have to do now is to get the supposedly tassel to be, and then just tie it up on the balloon or lock it up on the balloon as it's shown on the video. Just repeat the process up to the last balloon. Once you already tied the tassel or the ribbon onto the balloon, the next step is to form a design on the ribbon as it's shown on the video. You can stress it out using the scissors or anything that you're comfortable to use to stress it out, just to form a curly. You can repeat the process to all the remaining balloons. Now once you're done, the next step is to get a double-sided tape and stick it on the top of the balloon. And then you can just stick it onto the ceiling. And then that's it. You're ready for your party. Thank you so much guys for watching. Okay crafters, I hope you learned something today and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you do, kindly smash the like button. And don't forget to leave your comment down below in the comment section. My dear crafters, your simple like, your single like is a great help for my channel to grow. Think Simple Craft. And for those who's not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I'll post new video. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next. Bye crafters.